Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm doing an update on my 40-gallon fish tank. I hope you enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all. I love you all out there. All my little plants are doing real good with my heart water plant, and I found out this little plant at the top, it might bloom yellow, so we can look forward to that maybe. Zoom in for you so you can see them all real good. I got my I just changed my water and fed them, and this is my old platy, my panda platy, and they love to nest and everything in there. Turns out he's a male. And my male Grammy is still swimming around in there. I don't really know how to tell the neons yet, male from female, but they're all doing really good. And here's one of my older platies. My big moon, purple moon GloFish. And female koi longson, and the male is over here. I have 2 males and 2 females, I think, but I know I have at least one, and my Barbs are both female, my turquoise and my red one here. My turquoise one is way back here in the back. You can't really see him, he's kind of hiding today. But they're all doing really good. One of my favorite long fins, koi long fins, but this is really my favorite, the very pretty one that looks like a koi. It's really pretty. I'm hoping that maybe the long fins will have some babies in here, since I have a male and female. And I believe this is my other female long fin here. The koi kind. So that's all my new fish. I showed my 3-gallon yesterday. No, they're doing really well. In here, this is the glow light. Kind of what they look like under the glow. And my blue powder Grammy back there looks really good under the glow light. But that's all for my update on my 40-gallon tank. I hope you all enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. My pretty Christmas tree here. Pie. She says God bless and she loves you too. Love you all out there.